this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. In this video, we are going to learn about Scenario Manager. So friends, if you're watching my video first time and if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist. In playlist, you can find Excel for Beginners, which contains 33 videos, and Excel Level 2 folder, which contains 49 videos. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to Excel, I'm currently working in Hyderabad branch and my management gave me another two options to work. One is Bangalore city and another one is a Pune city. So now I have to choose one of the best city to save my money. So to find which of the to find the one of the best city, I will use tool called Scenario Manager. So what Scenario Manager will do, it will create a summary and help me to choose the best city to save my money. So let us start Scenario Manager. So before going to Scenario Manager, you can see here I'm currently working in Hyderabad and my house rent is 10,000, traveling 2,000, electricity 500, telephone 500, household expenses 5,000. So to calculate total expenses, I will use sum function. So let us use a sum function and here we are. Okay, so what is my total expenses? 18,000. So my total expenses is 18,000 and I'm getting salary of 25,000. So what will be my saving? Salary minus total expenses, right? So let me select, let me type is equal to select the salary minus total expenses. Enter. Nice. Now you can see I got 7,000. So my saving is 7,000 per month if I work in Hyderabad. Suppose if I work in Bangalore, so let us see Bangalore. So before going to Bangalore, let me create a scenario manager for Hyderabad, right? So what I will do, I will just go to the data tab. In data tab, you will find an option called what if analysis. So in what if analysis, first option is scenario manager. So when I click scenario manager, you can see here, you can find the add option. So click on add option. It will ask for a scenario manager name. So I will create scenario manager for Hyderabad. So I will type Hyderabad. Nice. Now you can see here there is another option called changing cell. So I'll just select the changing cell as the individual expenses. See, I'm not selecting total expenses, salary and saving. I'm only selecting till the from house rent to household expenses, right? So I've left other three options, right? And here in the comment you can give anything. Okay, I will just say created by Arun. Okay, and click OK. So when you click OK, automatically it is showing the cell values, right? Here also you can change the value if you want, but I don't want to change, right? And here you can see C4, it's a 10,000. So what is C4? House rent. C5, traveling expenses, which is 2,000. C6, electricity 500. C7, telephone 500. C8, which is household expenses 5,000. Nice. So suppose if you don't want reference cell reference like C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, and if you want to make it as a house rent, traveling, electricity, telephone, household, to do that you can create a name range, right? So instead of cells you want the names, then you can create a name range, right? So let us see how we can create a name range. Before that, let me click OK. Nice. Now I am done with the Hyderabad scenario manager. So before going to the Bangalore and Pune, I will create a name range for the cells, right? So let us see how we can create. So let me close this one, go to the formula, and in the formula you will have a you will have an option called create from selection. So let me select the all the rows and columns in the table. Okay, so I will just click on create from selection, and in the create from selection, select the left column. Okay, so left column means all the names in the left column will be assigned to the right column, right? So let me click OK. Nice. So if you want to test, you just select the house rent expenses. So when you select the house rent expenses, instead of showing C4 in the name box, it is showing house rent. Suppose if you click on 2000, see, instead of showing C5, it is showing as traveling. Nice. So we have successfully created a name range, right? So now again go to the next scenario manager. I want to create Bangalore scenario manager. So again I will go to the data. In the data, what if analysis. In the what if analysis, scenario manager. Okay. So again I will click add. This time I am going to create Bangalore. So Bangalore. Bangalore. Okay. So Bangalore. Okay, so name range again same, C4 to C8. Okay, so create comment is created by Arun Reddy. Okay, so click OK. So this time I want to change because house rent is more compared to Hyderabad. Bangalore house rent it's 15,000, right? So more 5,000. So Hyderabad it's a 10,000. In Bangalore it's 15,000, right? And you can see here last time we got C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, and now we are getting house rent, traveling, electricity, telephone, and household expenses. That means successfully we have created the name range, right? And I have increased the house rent, and I am decreasing the traveling because in Bangalore my house is near to the office, right? So I will just decrease the traveling expenses as 1,000, right? So now let me create so click OK. Nice. Now let us create a Pune, right? So we have already created Hyderabad, Bangalore. Now let us create a Pune. Now I will type Pune, right? So again same cells created by Arun, click OK. And here house rent is 12,000, and my house is very far from the office, so my traveling expenses will become 3,000, right? So let me click OK, right? So now I have created three scenarios. Hyderabad, so if you want to see you can just click on Hyderabad, click show. You can see here it is showing. And if I click Bangalore and click show, see 15,000, 1,000, 500, 5,000, and expenses will become 22,000, and savings it has become 3,000. If I click on Pune and click show again, see Pune house rent is 12,000, traveling 3,000, electricity, telephone, and household expenses are same. It is constant. It didn't change, but saving is 4,000. Nice, right? So now actual use of scenario manager is it can create a summary, right? So let us create a summary. So you can see here there is an option called summary. So when you click on this option, see it is also asking for a result cell. Nice. So this time you will select the remaining three cells. See these remaining three cells I am selecting, and I will click OK, right? So when I click OK, automatically see a separate sheet is created for summary. So let me zoom this one. Okay, now you can see here um, it is showing separately Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Pune expenses separately, right? So let us see how my summary will work to select the best city. Here you can see house rent 10,000, but Bangalore and Pune they are very high, right? And coming to the traveling, you can see here Hyderabad's 2,000, Bangalore traveling is expenses are very less, but house rent is more, right? So Pune again it's more, right? So comparing between Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Pune, you can see here I am saving 7,000 rupees in Hyderabad, but only 3,000 in Bangalore and 4,000 in Pune. So you can see here the best option is Hyderabad. So I will just confirm my management that I want to work in Hyderabad so I can save more money. Nice, right? So this is how your scenario manager will work to create summary and to find the best option. Nice, right? So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.